Hi superstars, you're welcome to another palm oil week. Alright, so in this video I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. First, I want to apologize to you, my superstars, because usually this video is supposed to come every Monday to enable my superstars who are in palm oil business have an idea of what the market looks like. But due to some unforeseen circumstance, I couldn't put this video out here on Monday. My sincere apologies, my superstars. Nevertheless, I'm here right now. Ta-da! Alright, so today I'll be giving you an update on the current price of palm oil and palm oil jerrycans, and I'll be telling you what's happening in palm oil business in Nigeria. Okay, my superstars, so let's get started. Okay, so first I'll be starting with jerrycans. The price of jerrycans for 25-liter is still 5,200 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. So if you're interested in getting your jerrycans, you can reach out to me or okay. Alright, you actually need the jerrycans to put your palm oil, okay, to move it to your location. So for those who are interested in my getting palm oil for them, then you will need to get your jerrycans. For those who had bought their jerrycans before now and you've been thinking, I have bought my jerrycans, how do I send it to you to put palm oil for me? It's easy. You can send it through a transport company to my location, and then I'll go pick it up and fill palm oil with for you, okay, and then send it back to you. All right, my superstars. Okay, but before doing that, please notify me. Don't send it without my knowledge, so your jerrycan won't be lost in transit. Please reach out to me before you send your jerrycans. Okay, my superstars. Next, we'll be talking about the current trends, what's happening in palm oil business. So many people are becoming really restless because really we can't tell what's happening. Usually by this time of the year, the price of palm oil drops to a price that people can store. But as I speak with you right now, palm oil is still on the high side. It makes me wonder how much people are going to store palm oil this year and how much palm oil will be sold in the latter part of the year. If at this time of the year it is still this expensive, then it means that towards the end of the year or in the latter part of the year, it could get to like 60,000 or 50,000 naira for a 25-liter jerrycan. So my superstars, lots of people are worried. Those who were looking up to storage, as a matter of fact, some people have started storage. Yes, not minding the cost of palm oil today, some people have started storage so they don't miss out because they can't tell what is going to happen. Some people are still hopeful and waiting for the price of palm oil to drop. And funny enough, I belong to that category of people who are hopeful and waiting that the price of palm oil will drop. So which group do you fall into? Which category do you fall into? Let me know in the comment section. Please write it in the comment section. Okay, my superstars, are you going to start your storage now or are you going to keep waiting? All right, in order to help you make that decision, I'm going to tell you the price of palm oil right now. The price of palm oil as of today in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, is 39,000 naira for freshly milled palm oil for 25 liters. 25 liters palm oil only. Okay, empty jerrycan is 5,200 naira and palm oil is 39,000 naira. And logistics depends on your location. Different locations have different cost of logistics. Okay, so that brings me back to my question. Are you going to keep waiting or are you going to go ahead and buy and store? Okay, because I know that in some places where they don't have palm oil, places that move palm oil from here to the north and other places, palm oil is usually expensive in its season of scarcity. So that brings me back to that question. Are you going to keep waiting? Okay, can you risk it? Can you risk it? Will you wait? Will it drop? Or are you going to go ahead and buy and store? All right, my superstars. So that is what it is right now in the market. The price of palm oil today is 39,000 naira. We are watching. I am watching. And like I said, I'll be your eyes in the market. I'll keep coming out here no matter what to give you the current price of palm oil. All right, my superstars. Okay, so if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I will get right back to you. And for those who want to reach out to me, you can call me or send me a DM via 070-444-81914 or send me an email via idzillion@gmail.com. Alright, my superstars. Okay, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Alright, till our next video. Thank you for watching. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.